Yo, good morning, B-Fam. It is a Monday, beautiful Monday morning. Get out of bed. You know, you won't hear this until the afternoon, but you know, Tuesday, get out of bed. Just had to stop by the bank, and then I waited until I drove a little bit past the shitty road where you just can't hear anything. So just trying to make everything better, more tolerable on this, which it bugs me, most definitely bugs you. So yeah, just got past the shitty road, I think, until I get to the gym at least. But I also had to stop by the bank, which is a nightmare. Road construction. I tell you what, they milked the hell out of the road construction work, man. But I guess I wouldn't blame them if I did the same. If I worked the same job, milk that shit, baby. Which is weird because all they're doing is, I think they moved a sidewalk over a little bit and made the road a little bit wider. I'm not really sure what they did, or they just redid a sidewalk. Who knows? But anyway, my weekend was pretty awesome. We just chilled. Try to play some games, but I want to see if the game I was supposed to play last week, the stress test, it went horribly wrong, but horribly right for the developers, I guess, because they fixed it. And hopefully I can play that on stream tonight, but probably not. Stress test might already be over with. Who knows? So you know how someone gets mad at you and then they don't talk to you? It's like if I was mad at someone, I'd still at least talk to them, right? But I've had some family members get mad at me. Like, this is when I was a kid. They would get mad at me and just not speak to me. You know, those type of people I just want to punch in the face. I swear that bugs the hell out of me. It's like, if you're mad at someone, yeah, but you could talk to them in the tone of not excitement, not an excited tone. All right, but still talk to them. I had this one day I brought a friend home, and I was supposed to pick up something, and he went inside the house while everyone was eating, and I had someone pick up their plate and go into their bedroom to eat because they didn't want to eat in front of someone. But ironically, they go out to eat, so I don't see how that's any different other than you're in your own home. Yeah, but it's not like they were naked. They had clothes on. I would hope so, out and be having dinner with family. So yeah, but childhood was awesome. Hell yeah. I think most of the great stuff in my childhood is probably going out on the ATV in the country, going full speed on the ATV into the field. One day I did that. I was like in fourth gear, which I don't know how ATVs have evolved now. What we'd call them four-wheelers. I don't know how much they've evolved now, but I would go in fourth gear in a field that I've driven in for years, but apparently they changed it up a bit. There was I was going wide ass open, and this car in front of me there's a freaking turning lane, bro. This car behind me wanted to pass me as soon as I wanted to get around the vehicle. It's like, people, you know, listen, you know how you have a 2-lane road, and in the middle you have a turning lane, and on the other side you have another 2-lane road coming this way. But when people want to turn in the turning lane, they go so slow. They go so freaking slow. It's like, bro, it's a turning lane. Turn in it. Turn in the turning lane. Why do you have to go so slow? It's a turning lane for a reason. Jesus Christ, bro. Hell yeah, Mondays. Woo! Anyway, I was going wide open in the field, and there was a ditch. There's like a little dip, and my brakes on the ATV wasn't that great at all. So needless to say, I pumped it down to like third gear, almost probably at the end of second gear, and then I flipped over the handlebars. And luckily, it only hurt my it's weird. It only hurt my my ass, because that's where I landed on. I just landed on my ass. Good times, good times. Especially when it snows, we would go out. We would have a sled. If the last year they planted, or that year they planted corn, oh, it would be terrible to sled in a field of corn. All the leftover corn stalks would just hit you in the face, and it would hurt like hell. But it was glorious. It was glorious. What is life without human torturing yourself, going sledding in the field, being pulled by an ATV in the snow? Heck yeah, boy. Anyway, yeah, just a little bit of stories here. I'm almost at the gym, guys, but I will see you after the gym. See, it's chest day today, so I want to see how everything goes. Anyway, peace, or see you in a bit. Oh, what a workout, baby. Had to stay in the vehicle a bit, turn the air on. Oh my God. Tell you what, I don't know how people can do cardio before they work out. I used to do that, and when I did it for like 30 minutes, and then went to work out, and I felt like crap. I feel like total crap. I mean, I can understand. Now I can understand maybe 5 minutes, get your blood going, your heart pumping, but whew, I do not know how people can do that before they work out, because I sure as hell can't anymore. I never could anyway. I just did it to try to lose weight. But hopefully I'm doing everything right, correctly. I watched this documentary about Arnold talking about his routines, or basically how to do stuff correctly. Some of the stuff the old school way, which I actually do, because I was taught by someone, or I learned from someone who did old school ways. So, you know, it's pretty cool to do the old school ways instead of like people not doing. He's like, people aren't doing what we used to do back in the day, and it just doesn't work as well. The new stuff people are doing, as far as I'm aware. So, I also did something like I normally tell people to, if you don't feel like you're breaking your muscles apart, you need to do different stuff, like or just do stuff differently, like the same routine but differently in a way. And Arnold basically said, like, your muscles are used to it, like they know your routine. They know you're going to go on the bench and you're going to do that, you're going to go on the incline and do this much weight. So today I normally start with 135, but today I started with 225. I did some of those. I did 225 again, and then I went to 205. Did 8 to 10 reps, and then I went to 185. Did 10 reps, and then I went to 135 and did 12 reps. My let me tell you, my chest, woo-wee, it was broken. Oh, I was like, whew. It was totally broken. My shirt is wet as hell. It's a blue shirt, but my back, you know how when your shirt the back is wet and you try to lean back and it's cold as hell? Yep. Mine's not from water, so technically, maybe. I don't know. Depends on how we sweat, you know. But yeah, so I did a lot of stuff differently. I did 2 different types of incline. I did a low incline, kind of like going all the way down to the bench, like a bench press. Then I went up and did I basically did 2 reps of or 2 sets of each to get some of that the difference in there, like doing different stuff for my chest. And honestly, like, tomorrow I'm gonna feel the shit out of this. I'm gonna be like, what have I done? So little pro tips there that I learned the good old ways. Yeah, that person almost freaking hit me, dude. And this person's like in the middle of I wish I could show you guys. I don't want to, but this person's literally in the middle of the road going left and right, because it's a 2-lane road, and set right in the middle of the road, just going left and right. Couldn't even make up their mind which way they wanted to go. This is what I got to deal with, guys. This is what I got to deal with, and I don't know why the roads shake the camera so much that it moves. So there's not much I could do about that. The drivers, man. I'm sure it's terrible everywhere, but when you live somewhere, it just seems worse than any other place in the world. Yep, heading home now. Had to pay for the gym earlier. Burns a hole in your pocket, but you know, worth if you consistently use it. So I go to the gym 5 days a week. So that's I'd say I get my money's worth. Unlike some people who probably only go 1 day, 2 days. So yeah, it's totally worth the money. So yeah, you know how when you work out, or when someone else works out, or basically when you don't put deodorant on, or your deodorant's worn off, like it smells like a sub, right? Yeah, the whole gym smelled like a freaking sub. And honestly, you know, it's not an actual sub, so you know it's a terrible smell. So I had to deal with that. People, if you're going in the gym, put some damn deodorant on. I don't care if you just took a shower and put deodorant on. Put more deodorant on. It's crazy. We're living out here in the world of people without perfect hygiene. Come on, man. Come on, people. I know I don't take showers in the morning. I take showers at night before bed. I don't know how people do it. Most people take a shower in the morning, I just do it at night before bed. It's always been a thing. Like since I was a kid, that's how we did it. I don't know why. I mean, I can understand if I took showers in the mornings. I guess that would be my routine. Yo, this person just keeps stopping and going. I'm gonna dude, there's a freaking 18-wheeler about to turn on a small-ass street, bro. Damn, son, where'd you find them? Yeah, I'm gonna go home and chill out for a bit before stream, and man, I got the shittiest sleep in the world. I don't know why. I watched the first episode of The Irregulars. That's actually a pretty damn good start. I watched the first episode, and bro, it was really awesome. Really, really awesome. Can't wait to watch the other episodes. But I don't know. I just could not, for the life of me, freaking go to sleep. Like this weekend, went to sleep perfectly. I guess it was just like sleeping in a lot. It's probably what it was. So normally my meal preps last me Monday through Friday. And Friday I normally eat subs, so technically Monday through Thursday. But I don't eat meal prep on the weekend, so yeah, it kind of does bad because I normally take a break. I do Monday through Friday working out, and then I take a break on the weekend, and then it's kind of fend for myself and food. Last weekend, yesterday and Saturday, day before yesterday, made me some lean beef and rice. I haven't cooked rice in so long, probably like a year. Damn year. So I made that, and I gained a pound. So I did pretty well, opposed to like 4 pounds. I mean, I would have lost it like the next day, or today, basically Monday. But it's the whole principle of losing weight and not eating really shitty foods, because it's normally too many carbs, too much fat, or just overall just too much of anything, really. Did it right this time, and by time tomorrow I should be like 198, give or take. So the things you do that are right feels great, baby. So I'm almost home, guys, and or I'm getting on the way there. I just wanted to do a little quickie, you know. I know you guys love your quickies. So hope you guys have a good Monday or a good Tuesday tomorrow, the rest of your day, whatever. If you enjoy, make sure you hit that like button and sub, baby. And I will see you beautiful people tomorrow or the next day or on stream, whatever. Anyway, peace.